Hey guys, welcome back to another Evernote tutorial. In this tutorial, you will be seeing the 22 most important keyboard shortcuts for CSE Note Making. If you want to download Evernote, you can check in the description box. I have given the link. So let's start with this tutorial. The first is to create a new note, and you can do that by pressing Ctrl+N. And see, new note has come for you. Then you can copy any of the news material and paste it here to fill up your notes as current affairs. Then is to open the find box, Ctrl+F. So if you want to search something in this note, you press Ctrl+F and then you can type whatever word you want to search. Like I have searched generation and it has come up. Next is to remove hyperlink, Ctrl+Shft+R. When you copy an article from Wikipedia, you see so many hyperlinks. To easily remove this, press Ctrl+Shift+R and all the hyperlinks would get removed. Next is to simplify the formatting. To simplify all the paragraphs into one condensed paragraph, just press Ctrl+Space. And here you get the simple paragraph. Next is to remove all the formatting. For that you have to select whatever you want to remove the formatting and press Ctrl, Shift and Space, and then all the formatting will be removed. Next is to open the font dialog, Ctrl+D. Select the text you want and press Ctrl+D and all the font dialogs will appear, like what type of font, style of fonts, font size, etc. So you can select whichever font, whichever style you want. Next is to align the paragraph to the left. Select the paragraph and press Ctrl+L. And see, the paragraph has come to the align to the left side. Similarly for the right side, you should press Ctrl+R. Ctrl+R takes the paragraph to the right side. Next is to open in a new window. Like for example, if you want to read these two notes in a new window, you have to press Ctrl+Enter. And notes will open in a new window for you to easily read them. Next is to undo. This is something which most of you would be knowing, Ctrl+Z. It is for undoing whatever you have done, and then redo, it is Ctrl+Y. And then is to cut, Ctrl+X. You can cut this para and paste here by pressing Ctrl+V. Copy is Ctrl+C. So when you press Ctrl+C, it copies. Similarly, if you want to paste something, you should press Ctrl+V and it will get pasted there. If you want to paste the content as a text, then press Ctrl+Shft+V and all those hyperlinks will not be get pasted. So it is very much easy for you to make such notes. Next is the bulleted list. You need to select the paragraph and then press Ctrl+Shft+B. Bulleted points will come. And next, to do the numbered list, you have to select the paragraph and then press Ctrl+Shift+O and the numbered list will come. It is useful for note making. Next is to highlight. For that, you should select whatever text you want to highlight and press Ctrl+Shft+H. And as you can see, yellow color highlight has come. Next is to bold the text. For that, you have to press Ctrl+B. For underlining, you should press Ctrl+U. To turn your text into italic, press Ctrl+I. These things are similar to MS Word. Next is to strike through your text. For that, you have to press Ctrl+T. Select the text and then press Ctrl+T and it will get strike through. So friends, these were the 22 Evernote shortcuts which you can use for efficient note making. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you have any queries, you can post it in the comment section. You can subscribe to this channel to get such regular videos. Thank you guys for watching this video, and surely I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.